making this layout here in my little journal, my Halloween journal. And I've just gathered some scrap collage pieces, some vintage papers, and some clip art from my shop. I will put a link to the vintage papers and a link to the clip art in my shop. But I'm just going to be laying it all out and adding some details, just like gluing it down. Nothing special, but I thought I would invite you to watch. Here I'm just adding some ink blots just to add some interest to the piece. It looked like kind of plain to me, so I just kind of wanted to merge it together. I could have used gesso to kind of go over the pieces a little bit and scratch it out, but I was feeling ink blots, and plus I wanted to kiss it to the other side of the journal, so this is what I did. I'm just taking a Stabilo and adding some marks around this piece of clip art that I've included. I made a crown to put on that girl there. She's a piece of clip art from my shop. Anyway, so I'm just adding a little bit of details, some edging to this clip art with a Stabilo. I'm going in with a white Posca pen, just adding some highlights and little details and some little scribbles and dots, just kind of just fine-tuning things.